In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to free up space on OneDrive. If your OneDrive storage is getting full, one of the quickest ways to make room is by removing files or folders you no longer need and then clearing them from the recycle bin. I'll walk you through the process in a simple, straightforward way so you can free up space efficiently. To begin, open OneDrive and go to the My Files section. This is where you'll see the files and folders currently stored in your account. Take a moment to look through your content and identify anything you no longer need. This might include old downloads, duplicate folders, large videos, or outdated documents. Being selective here can help you recover storage without deleting anything important. Once you've found items you want to remove, select the files or folders by pointing to each item. When you hover over an item, a small circle checkbox will appear. Click that checkbox to mark the item for deletion. You can do this one item at a time, or select multiple files and folders if you want to clean up more space at once. It's a good idea to double check your selection before moving on, especially if you're deleting folders that may contain a lot of content. After selecting the items you want to remove, click Delete. This sends the selected files and folders to the OneDrive recycle bin. At this stage, the items are no longer in your main file list, but they may still continue taking up storage until the recycle bin is emptied. That's an important detail because deleting something from My Files alone may not immediately free up all the space you expect. Next, go to the recycle bin using the left-hand panel in OneDrive. This section stores the items you've recently deleted. Review the contents briefly to make sure everything in there is something you truly want to remove permanently. Once the recycle bin is emptied, those files will no longer be recoverable through the usual OneDrive interface, so it's worth taking one final look. When you're ready, click Empty Recycle Bin. This permanently removes the deleted files and folders and frees up the storage space in your OneDrive account. That's all it takes to free up space on OneDrive. If you're trying to recover a significant amount of storage, focus on large or unnecessary folders first, since those usually make the biggest difference. With a quick cleanup and a cleared recycle bin, you should have more room available right away.